Muskmelon as a sweet dessert or as a sweet bowl is my video today on Aalleen's Recipe Corner. Hey friends, welcome back to Aalleen's Recipe Corner. I am Aaleen Khan. Do watch this video till the end. I hope you like this recipe of mine. So for this we would need a cutting board, a knife and a ripe muskmelon. Now cut the muskmelon into half. And with the help of a spoon or a scoop, scoop out all the seeds from it. Transfer them onto a plate. Do not throw these seeds. Wash them and transfer it to the soil or dry them under the sun. Now take the clean muskmelon and cut them into thin wedges. Now apply cuts of 1 inch or ½ inch each to dice the muskmelon. Once done, slice the muskmelon from its peel. You can also cut these large pieces into smaller ones. Repeat the same with the remaining slices. Now transfer all the pieces into a mixing bowl. And add sugar. Here I have added a total of 3 tablespoons of sugar. Now give this a good mix and refrigerate for minimum 30 minutes. Serve this chilled. This is the juice released out from the muskmelon. I'm not going to throw this out. Instead, taking out a tablespoon of it and drizzling it over the bowl of muskmelon. Do make this sweet bowl with muskmelon and let me know how did you like this recipe of mine. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for new recipes. Thank you so much once again. Subscribe to Aalleen's Recipe Corner. Take care. Bye-bye.